Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are doing great today. So before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Nila Kaputriani and you can call me Eka. Nah, today I will guide you through the topic of system of linear equation. So by the end of this lesson, you will understand the basic concept of system of linear equation and learn how to solve them using different methods. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. What is a system of linear equation? Now, a linear equation is an equation where all variables are raised to the first degree. Okay. And then a linear equation system, also called a system of linear equation, is a set of two or more linear equations that involve the same variables. Okay, the same variables. Now, the goal is to find the values of the variables that satisfy all equations simultaneously. Okay? Okay, next. In this topic, we will focus with system of linear equation in two variable, or we can call two variable system. Okay, now this system consists of two equations and two variables, usually x and y. And then in this system of linear equation in two variables, the general form is this. A sub 1x plus b sub 1y is equal to c sub 1, and a sub 2x plus b sub 2y equals c sub 2, where a sub 1, b sub 1, a sub 2, b sub 2 are coefficient, x and y are variables, and c sub 1 and c sub 2 are constant. Okay, this is the graph of system of linear equation in two variables. Okay, now we are going to learn about the types of solutions in system of linear equation of two variables. Okay, the first type is a system of linear equation can have one of three possible outcomes. The first type is a unique solution, exactly one solution. So, okay, if the system of linear equation in two variable has one solution if the line, the line intersect at exactly one point. Okay, one point x comma y. Now, for example, we have the system x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. So we get the result x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2, because if we substitute this value to this system, we have this value 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is right. Next. Okay. The second type is infinitely many solutions. So in this type, the lines are identical because one equation is a multiple of the other. So the equation represent the same length. For example, yes. Look at this. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8, and x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, look at this. The second equation is simply half of the first. So that's why this system have infinite solution, infinitely many solution. Okay, the lines are overlapping. Yes. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. Now, the last types is no solution. Okay. If the system of linear equation on two variable has a no solution, okay, the lines are parallel to each other and will never intersect. Okay. Yes. The lines are parallel. Okay, for example, we have the system of this. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, nah, okay, because the system has a same slope, so this is no solution. Okay, the system has no solution. Okay, next. Now let's move on to method for solving linear system. Okay, there are three primary algebraic methods used to find the solution. Okay, the first method is substitution method. Now, in substitution, one variable is expressed in the term of the order and then substitute into the second equation. For example, we have the equation this. Okay, x plus y is equal to 10 and x is 4. So we can substitute x is equal to 4 into the first equation and we get 4 plus y is equal to 10 and then in the end we get y is equal to 6. So the solution is 4,6. Okay, this is a substitution method. Okay, next. The second method is elimination method. Now, in elimination, one variable is removed by adding or subtracting the equation. Now, for example, we have the equation x plus y equals 8 and x minus y equals 2. And by add the equation, and we get 2x is equal to 10 and we get x is equal to 5. Okay, then to find y, we can subtract the equation and we get 2y is equal to 6 and we get y is equal to 3. So the solution is 5,3. Okay. And then the last method is grouping method. Now, in grouping, each equation is drawn on the coordinate plane, and the solution is the point where the graphs intersect. Okay, this is the solution of the system of linear equation in two variable. This is the solution. Okay. Now, okay, this method helps students see the relationship between the equation visually. Okay, next. Okay, so I also have example problems for the topic of system linear equation of on two variables. Okay. Okay. The first equation is this. Yeah. At At a school concert, students' tickets cost $3 and adult tickets cost $5. Now, if um, if 40 tickets were sold and the total revenue was $160, how many student tickets and adult tickets were sold? Okay. Okay, the solution of this problem. Okay, let X is student tickets and Y is adult tickets. So this problem we can make to a system of linear equation in two variable, and we get x plus y equals 40 and 3x plus 5y is equal 160. Okay. Okay. Nah, from the first equation, x equals 40 minus y, we can substitute into the second equation. And we get this. 3 times 40 minus y plus 5y is equal to 160. And we get this. 2y is equal to 40 and y is equal to 20. So x is equal to 22. Okay, 22. Because if we substitute this value in this equation, and we also got x is equal to 20. Okay, so the final answer is apa? The final answer is 20 student tickets and 20 adult tickets. Okay, so okay, this is a practice problems about the system of linear equation in two variables. So I hope you can try your best to uh, solve these problems in your home, maybe. So please try to solve this problem. Okay. Okay. Um, that brings us the end of today's presentation. So also thank you very much for your attention and participation. So I hope this presentation has helped you understand the concept of system of linear equations in two variables and how to solve them effectively. So keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. So thank you again. Bye-bye.